Hi, in this video, we will discuss in depth about how can I visualize my data over the map. Okay, so for that, I have loaded and connected my data with Power BI with name this data. You can store this file from the folder which we have shared. Okay, so you can see we have this the huge database we have, but I have already explained you guys like Power BI cannot display any values and cannot consider any columns as a map until unless if you do not apply this correct formatting with that existing column. Got it? So how can we do that? For example, if I just go towards right side, see, so I have this city, state, and country. Okay, so we need to apply the map formatting with this database. Let's select this, and you have to choose this column tools and click on this data category. This is a city. Let's choose this city name. So that formatting has been applied on this particular column. How will you recognize? You will see there is a globe map coming before of this heading. So this is the symbol which by which we can recognize like that formatting has been applied on this city. If I choose this state, then click here and choose the state or province. So this formatting will get applied on this column. Similarly with the country, come here and you can choose the country formatting. So one by one you have to format this column is in map formatting. Once you have done, come back to your report. Let's add a new page here. So guys, look at that. In this inside this data, I have only uh, clicking this country. I didn't select any visuals, but you can see it's by default taking this map. Okay, so that is that is only happened when you have applied such kind of formatting. Now guys, you can see I have selected the country, so I got all the country names here which is in my data. Okay, for example, if I wanted to see the country wise net sale, not net sale, it should be like it should be profit. Okay, when I click there, you will see now it's coming the profit with by the country name. Now what will happen if I wanted to see only the country like India? But before that, if I will add one more heading like state, where it is that is sales. Yeah, this one. So if I bring this inside this location, okay, so we all know like when we expand this, then I'll get the information. But apart from all the countries information and their state, I don't want to display. I just only wanted to see the data from the country like India. So what we have to do, how can we filter the only country India? Yes, absolutely right, we have to click on this country filter. Let's search like India. Okay, once it's done, now you can simply expand this. Look at that, it's only highlighting me the total profit from the country like India. You can see that. Okay, so this is the way you can choose the country one by one and you can apply that filter. If you click on this format data colors, yes, you can change the color that is coming default, but if you wish you can uh, you know give it the name state by state. If you wish you wanted to see the values here, you just have to enable this. See the values is also coming with the name of that label, that is state. Okay, now map control, like here you can add a zoom button on your map so that you can directly zoom in by clicking on this plus icon and zoom out by clicking on this icon. Either you can do double click, that will get zoom in